Today I'm Nisha and I'll be showing you this beautiful collection of Kanchipattu sarees. So let's just dive right in. Let's see the saree that I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful Kanchipattu saree. The color is mustard and pink. The body has all over paisley booties in zari, as you guys can see it. Look at how beautiful these two colors look together. With this we have a beautiful border of cross lines with paisleys and florals. I love how these two colors are complementing each other, looking so bright and so lovely. And with this we have this brocade pallu. I hope you guys can appreciate the work on it. The gold looks amazing on the pink. And this is the contrast blouse, saree. To place an order for this saree, please note the item code number, that is BR874. The price is 13,199. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8901. Moving on to the next saree. Look at these beautiful subtle colors. It's a gorgeous golden red saree. The body is florals and leaves jal. You can see how beautiful this blue body looks. And look at the gorgeous work on it. I love how this silver work is complementing this golden work on the border. The body is florals and leaf jal, as you guys can see it. With this we have a border of peacocks and florals with cross lines. And moving on to the pallu, it is floral with these checks. Beautiful work, right? Now let's see the blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. You can see how beautiful this light blue and the red look together. Now let's see the details for the saree. The item code is BS36. The price is 12,799. Now if you want to buy the saree, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 890100. If you guys want to see any specific color, any specific design, do let me know in the comments below so that I can help you with it. For now, let's see the next saree. Look at this beautiful saree. It's a peach and green colored saree. The body is geometrical butties in zari. I love how light this saree is. It looks so beautiful. The border is florals and boxes. And the boxes have elephants. And the pallu is floral jal and cross lines. This is the blouse of the saree. It's a beautiful green colored blouse. I love how nicely these colors are going together, the pink and the green. So beautiful. Now let's see the details. The item code is BS49. The price is 7,119. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number and send it to our WhatsApp number 8901. Now, as you would like to see BS36 again, I'll be showing it to you after I show a few more designs. Now, let's see the next one. Another beautiful lightweight saree. Now let's see the saree. This is a golden green colored saree with lovely blue flowers all over it. The body has floral booties. Love these colors. With this we have a border of diamonds with florals and diamonds. Such beautiful golden work all over it. The pallu is florals and cross checks. is the blouse of the sari. I love how green can actually make you look so put together and so fresh. Now let's see the details for this sari. The item code is BL629. The price is 15,999. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. So Sujata, I'll be showing you the sari you wanted to see, and you can see it in detail in fact. I hope you like the work on it. We hope you like the sari, Sujata. Now we'll be moving on to the next sari of our collection. Look at this gorgeous color. It's a navy blue and pink colored sari. It's my favorite combination. Like these two colors look so put together. It's like they were made for each other. Such nice complement of colors. Now let's see the body. It's peacocks and floral bouquets in zari boxes. With this we have a border of cross lines with elephants and florals in it. Such beautiful work. I love how this body has a nice silver golden work over it, and then the pink has this gold. Such gorgeous work. Now let's see the pallu. The pallu is again pink with diamonds and cross checks. And with this is the blouse. Lovely complement. Such contrasting colors, right? Let's see the details now. The item code is BS55. The price is 16,499. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Again, guys, if there is any color you want to see or any design you want to see, we are here for you. Do let us know in the comments below, and we'll help you surely. Let's move it. I feel like green and red is evergreen. It's like such a nice combination. This green and red sari has this beautiful work all over it. The body has leaf booties in cross floral jar checks. Love the golden work. The borders are diamonds with peacocks and florals. And with this we have a brocade pallu. Now as you guys can see that this whole sari is red with gold. And here comes the beautiful green in the blouse. Such nice contrast, so gorgeous. Now let's see the details for this sari. The item code is BS63. The price is 9,599. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Sumedha, I'll be surely showing you a beautiful pink colored sari right after the sari that you'll be seeing now. Another beautiful color. It's a gold and magenta colored sari. Magenta is one color that suits anyone of any age. A young girl wears it, an old woman wears it, anyone. Regardless of your age, this color would suit any girl and make them look so beautiful. Let's see the body work now. The body has florals in geometric shapes. The border is cross lines. As you guys can see it, the beautiful magenta work. And then this is the pallu with cross lines again. Now we'll be seeing the blouse for this sari. It has the similar work as the border, but again, so beautiful with the whole border. Let's see the details for this now. The item code is BS33. The price price is 15,999. To buy this saree, take a screenshot now with the item code number and send it to our WhatsApp number 89000100. Now I'll be showing the saree, the pink saree for Sumedha. And actually all of you, but especially for Sumedha. See this saree now? It's a beautiful pink and magenta colored saree. The body is florals and leaves jal. With this, we have a pallu of floral buttis and curvy checks, as you guys can see it. And the border has diamonds and leaves. Beautiful work, guys. Such nice colors. And the gold totally complements the whole tone in this. Now let's see the blouse piece. With the pink, this is the blouse piece. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Let's see the details now. The item code is BS46. The price is 9,599. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 89000120. Lavanya, I noticed your request and will be surely showing you a beautiful onion pink saree with copper zari. For now, let's see this one. Again, gorgeous colors. All my girls out there would love this saree because how bright and how gorgeous does this saree look. Let's see the body now. It's floral jal and peacocks and cross. The border is cross lines and paisley's. With this we have a pallu of cross lines. And this is the beautiful blouse. Gorgeous, isn't it? Again, love these colors. It would make you look so fresh, so young, so beautiful. Let's see the details now because I know you all are waiting for this. The item code is BS40. The price is 19,499. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 89000100.
Lavender.
Rani, I'll be surely showing you a beautiful lavender colored saree, and I'll try my best for making it the kind of saree also that. Till then, let's see this saree, because again, who doesn't want to look revealed in a yellow saree? Look at these colors. It's a mustard and pink colored saree. The body is florals in geometrical shapes. With this, we have a border of zigzag lines with leaves, jal and peacocks. And a floral brocade button.
Facebook or Insta?
This is a contrasting blouse. Saree, pink color again. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS30. The offer price for this is 18,749. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 89000100. And guys, do remember the prices you're seeing on your screen are valid for the next 24 hours only. So if you love a saree, do order it right away and do not miss the chance on getting these beautiful sarees at the most amazing price. Let's move on to the next one. The lavender saree for you guys. And Supriya, I'll be surely showing you a baby pink or peach colored saree. I did show one, and after that I'll be showing you more if you need it. This is a gorgeous lilac colored kanchi kashtu saree. Very beautiful color. It's personally my favorite color. The body is floral buttis in curvy shapes with leaves. With this, we have a border of cross lines and floral buttis. The pallu is brocade, and we have this gorgeous pink contrasting blouse. It's a nice dark pink. Looks so gorgeous, right? Love this color. Let's see the details for this now. The item code is BS39. The price is 20,999. To buy the saree, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 89000100. And thank you so much, Saundarya. Even I love this saree which I am wearing. Let's move on to the next one. A very different shade of color. Very different shade of green in fact. Looks so beautiful, doesn't it? It's very, very different and very unique. It's a gold and navy blue colored saree with this gorgeous green work all over it. The body is florals and leaves jal. With this we have borders of zigzag lines with florals and paisleys and a brocade pallu.
Put the mic in reverse.
Sorry for the lag, guys. Let's move on. And this is the pallu, which is brocade. With this is the blouse piece. Beautiful, right?
Okay.
Now let's see the details. The item code is BS34. The price is 15,999. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Rani, do let me know what kind of a saree you want, similar to which one. We'll be surely showing it to you, and you can take a screenshot and send it to us, and we'll surely get it. Let's see the next one for now. Another beautiful color, right? Literally makes me feel like I'm on a beach or something. Such nice, lively color. It's a beautiful sea blue colored saree, of course. The body is all over floral buttees. The border is cross lines with elephants and florals. As you guys can see it, gorgeous work, guys, gorgeous work. Like, do you see how nicely this gold and silver is complementing the sea blue? Looks out of a whole movie. Look at this pink blouse with this, such nice contrast. Let's see the details for this saree now. The item code is BS35. The offer price is 15,199. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And Rani, if there's any saree you're liking, please take a screenshot and we'll help you with that and any other saree that is similar to that. You can WhatsApp us on 8900010002, send us what you need, and if anything is similar to that, we'll surely help you with it. Let's move on to the next one. Gorgeous floral work, right? The pink and green looks so nice together. Beautiful. It's a gold and pink colored saree with again beautiful green work all over it. The body is florals and leaves jal and zari. With this we have a border of cross lines and florals in peacocks in lines. And this floral brocade pallu. Again, pink saree with golden work over it, looks so beautiful. Let's see the blouse now. This is the blouse with it, same as the pallu but amazing color. Now let's see the details. The item code is BM816, the price is 13,999. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Thank you so much for the compliment, Rani. It means a lot to us. A lot of people are working very hard day and night to bring the most beautiful saree collections for you guys only. Let's move on to the next one. Beautiful again, right? I love how elegant this saree is. It's so subtle, yet it would honestly make you totally stand out in a crowd. Don't you feel that way? Such nice, like just one gorgeous color, gorgeous work all over it, and so unique. It's a gorgeous beige colored saree with floral buttees and zari. With this we have a kaddi border and floral and check work all over it. And the pallu is florals and diamond buttees. With this we have a plain yet very, very elegant blouse in the similar color. Beautiful, right? Let's see the details now. The item code is BS28. The price is 15,199. To
To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Surely Durga will be showing you the best collection in the color you have requested. Let's see the next one for now. Gorgeous colors, right? Again, as I said the last time, my favorite color combination. Such nice complement these two colors give each other. It's a blue and pink colored saree. With this, we have this body of floral buttis and curvy leaves jal checks. With this, we have diamonds and floral jal border and florals and cross checks pallu. And with this blue saree, of course, we have a pink contrasting blouse, which will totally stand out. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS32, the price is 13,999. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see the next saree, which is yellow. Again, one color which will make you shine, honestly, like literally shine. So beautiful. It's a yellow and brown colored saree. With this we have a body of floral buttis and geometrical leaves jal checks. Beautiful jal, right? Love the work. Again, yellow and golden literally look like the same color, but somehow this gold just stands out, right? Let's see the brown now, which is the border. It is peacocks and florals with cross lines. With this, we have a brown brocade pallu with again golden work, looking so elegant. And this is the blouse with it, which is again brown in color. Let's see the details for this elegant saree now. The item code is BS54. The price is 20,999. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now the next saree is coming specially for Durga and for all of you. Let's see it. A red saree with gold work and gold border. Beautiful saree, right? Such nice work. This gold honestly stands out when it is like the work is done on a red saree. Let's see the body now, up close. The body has leaf buttis and cross checks. With this, we have this beautiful border, beautiful thick, elegant border of cross lines and diamonds with peacocks. And a pallu of checked lines. Honestly, lovely work. Such lovely work. And this is the blouse with the saree. Again, red. Like someone who will wear this would look so beautiful. Like I can't even imagine. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS23. The price is 13,599. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Hope you like the saree, Durga. If you like it, do take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number and we'll help you with this or any other saree in the same color variation you would need. Let's move on to the next one now. Look at this beautiful green color, guys. I love when there are sarees which are so different, so unique and so elegant. Let's see the details now. It's a beautiful green colored saree with a maroon border which I'll be showing you in the blouse. And the body is paisley buttis in zari. The zari work is in gold, standing out on this green. With this, we have a border of elephants and florals. Beautiful. And this is the maroon here, which is on our pallu with peacocks and paisley buttis. And the maroon can also be seen in the blouse. Totally beautifully contrasting with this green. Dark green and maroon are two colors which are totally, honestly, like so nicely going together, right? As you can see in this saree. So I'll be showing you the details now. The item code is AC437. The price is 10,799. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on from this dark color, we'll be seeing this beautiful light color. A combination of light shades with dark shades also like totally stands out, right? This is a beige and navy blue colored sari, and surely Rani, I'll be showing a beautiful maroon sari with off-white color. But maybe not this time because I guess it's not there in the collection, but I'll surely try my best. Let's see this one for now. It's a beige and navy blue colored sari with a body of floral buttis and cross checks. With this, we have a border of cross lines with peacocks and florals and a brocade pallu. Gorgeous golden work all over a dark blue pallu. Looking so nice. And this is the blouse with the sari. Now let's see the details for this sari. The item code is BS64. The price is 20,249. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to the next sari. Again, beautiful colors, green and pink. Totally standing out, right? Let's see the details in this sari now. The body is forest theme. Okay, it's a beautiful green and pink colored sari with a body of forest theme. Beautiful work, as you guys can see it. With this, we have a pink border of cross lines with peacocks and florals and a diamond brocade pallu. Let's see the blouse with the sari. This is the blouse piece with the sari. The base of the blouse is pink and it has some golden work all over it. And we'll be seeing the details now. The item code is BS22. The price is 23,249. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now, Ash Simha, if you want to schedule a video call with us, you can WhatsApp us on 8900010002 and they'll guide you further for any collection video call you want, and you can see our beautiful collections. And thank you so much, Rani. I am very happy that you like the collections. Let's move on to the next one. Black is one color which is seldom seen on saris, but whenever we see it, it looks so beautiful. Like, see this black and red colored sari. Looking so nice, right? Let's see the details for this sari now. It has an all over golden work with leaf buttis and zari. With this, we have a border of peacocks and zigzag lines and a floral brocade pallu. Gorgeous golden work all over it. And this is the blouse with this beautiful black sari. Now let's see the details. The item code is BI418. The price is 9,199. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see the next sari now. This might look like a very heavy sari, but believe me guys, it's so light, and even then, like, see how heavy it looks with all this work, and yet so light to wear. Let's see the details now. It's a rust and green colored sari. The body is paisley buttis and leaves. With this, we have a border of cross lines with paisley and floral jal and a leaf brocade pallu. Lovely color, right? It literally makes me feel like I'm standing in a forest. This is the blouse with the sari. Now let's see the details. The item code is BS31. The price is 15,199. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We ship all over India and even globally, and we have cash on delivery available only in Hyderabad. But we do have our stores in 4 states, that is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So you can visit us here in Hyderabad or other states, or you can place orders COD in Hyderabad and shipping all over India and globally. Let's see the next one. Beautiful work, right? Again, blue is one color which would suit anyone of any age. Like, look at how beautiful this saree is looking. Like, I mean it, this whole work with the color, gorgeous. Now let's see the details. The body is floral buttis in zari. With this, we have a border of cross lines and paisley and a leaf brocade pallu. Very unique work, right? And with this, we have the same colored blouse, but looking so elegant. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS26. The price is 11,199. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. If there's any saree you guys like and would like to see again, or would like to see, closely with all the details, you can tell us, and I would surely love to show you any saree that you would like to see again. Now let's see the next one. Beautiful pink saree with a very different shade of green. It's a gorgeous pink and sea green colored saree, looking so pretty. Now let's see the details. The body is all over leaf buttis in zari. With this, we have border of cross lines and leaf buttis. And the pallu has peacocks, paisleys and floral buttis in checks. Again, very unique work, guys. Don't let this slip out of your hand. Such gorgeous work and such unique sarees. Let's see the blouse for this one. As you see, the body is a beautiful pink. So the blouse, of course, matches with our border and contrasts the whole body. And this is the blouse of the saree. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS66. The price is 21,749. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Once you send us screenshots, people, we can help you with what saree you want, with more collections and more colors in that selected saree, and then you can happily choose the one you want and get the one you love shipped to your house. Let's see the next one. A very lightweight saree, as you guys can see it. It's a navy blue and peach colored saree. Two colors which you don't really normally see together, but again, look how nicely they are going. Love how these two tones complement each other. Let's see the body now. It's a very plain body with temples in the corners. And in the border, we have 3 buttis in zari, nice golden work, and a floral brocade pallu. And let me show you guys the blouse. This is the blouse where the border work continues, the trees continue, and then we have the basic blouse with it. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS52. The price is 8,879. To buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on. Another beautiful color. Looks so nice. It's a green and blue colored saree. Let's see the body now. The body is a nice green colored with floral and leaf buttis and cross lines. With this, we have a navy blue border with floral buttis and cross lines, and a pallu with flowers and leaves jal. Beautiful work again. This is the blouse with the saree. And now let's move on to the details. The item code is BM135. The price is 7,519. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Guys, if there's any color, any pattern, any design you guys want to see, we'll surely help you. So let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to bring you that color and that design. Let's move on to the next one. Do remember, these are all Kanchi Pattu saris in the best price possible. For the next 24 hours, this is the price that you see on the screens, and after that, you lose the opportunity to get the best beautiful saris in the best price possible. Now let's see this sari. It's a navy blue and sea green colored sari. The body is peacocks and elephants in boxes. Little cute golden zari boxes with peacocks and elephants. Looks so nice. With this, you have the same boxes work only on the border with peacocks and elephants inside them and a nice sea green color. And the pallu is leaf buttis in waves. Totally gives the illusion that you are on the beach. Let's see the blouse now. Beautiful blouse, right? Totally going with the color. Let's see the details of the sari now. The item code is BS57. The price is 7,359. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I'm so sorry Lavanya, but we do not have an onion pink color sari with copper border with us right now, but you can surely WhatsApp us on 8900010002 and we'll be very happy to show you whichever color, whichever design you want, even onion pink with copper border. But right now, I am a little low on the saris, so I cannot show you it right away. Hope you come maybe tomorrow or whenever on the live and we'll try to show it to you. Thank you so much. Let's see the next one now. These two are the colors of India, our country. Literally, look at this beautiful orange and this green. Let's see the details now. The body is peacocks and florals in circles. Beautiful silver and golden circles. With this, we have a border of zari lines with florals and elephants in boxes. And a brocade pallu. Gorgeous golden work all over it. And this is the blouse for the sari. Let's see the details now. The item code is BE256. The price is 7,119. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to the next one. Sorry for the delay, guys. Another unique color, looking so nice. There's something about these dark colors, they make a woman look so subtle, so elegant. Let's see the details now. The body has floral buttis in zari, beautiful golden zaris. With this, we have a border of florals and dollars in lines and a slight silver line. Can you guys appreciate it? Looks so nice, like totally demarcating the body from the border. And with this, we have a floral brocade pallu, a little brighter golden, totally standing out. And we have the same colored blouse with it, making it look so chic and so subtle. Let's see the details now. The item code is BR433, the price is 6,959. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to the next sari. This is another kind of saris which I totally love. Look at the work all over it. One color base and then beautiful all over work. Looks so beautiful. This is a bottle green colored sari. The body is paisley and floral buttis in sari. We do not have a border with this. The body continues till the end and we have a slight green. And then we have this beautiful pallu of leaf brocade. Honestly, looks like a beautiful garden to me with a nice landscaping, right? With this, we have this similar colored blouse. As you guys can see this color. A simple blouse and a beautiful worked sari. What else would anyone want? Let's see the details now. The item code is BS44. The price is 8,479. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And Lavanya, if you're still there, you can also make a video call with us and our executive will show you your favorite sari. Let's move on to the next sari for now. I love when after wearing a dark, nice colored sari, we move on to a light one. Look at how nice and how airy, how calm this sari feels. It brings me peace. Now let's see the details for this sari. Let's go closer. It's a beige and sea green colored sari. The body is floral buttis and zari checks. The borders is kaddi with floral buttis. And we have a floral brocade pallu with this. Gorgeous light brocade work all over this green. Looks so subtle yet so chic. Love these kinds of saris. This is the blouse. Let's see the details now. The item code is BR399. The price is 19,949. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And thank you so much, Manisha. I'm so glad that you like this collection. And if you like any of these saris, do take a screenshot, send it to us, and we'll surely help you with our best possible way. Let's move on to the next sari. Another beautiful color combination of blue and purple. Let's go closer and see the details on this sari. The body is a teal blue with florals and leaves and zari checks. Gorgeous golden work. With this, we have a border that is magenta in color with cross lines and peacocks and paisley buttis. And we have a brocade pallu. Beautiful golden work all over it. And this is a magenta blouse with a sari. Let's see the details for this sari now. The item code is BS61. The price is 9,199. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And under popular demand, we have another red sari with gold work all over it. I've already showed you guys one, and this is another one in the same range, same collection, but different work on it. It's a gorgeous red sari. The body is cross lines with paisleys and florals. With this, we have a border of cross lines and paisleys. And a pallu of cross lines. Gorgeous, bright golden zari work all over this sari. Makes it look so rich. Honestly, someone wearing a red sari with all golden work looks rich. So nice. Let's see the blouse now. This is the blouse with the sari, again red. Totally complementing the whole tone of the sari. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS37. The offer price is 17,249. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now remember guys, the prices you are seeing on your screen is valid for the next 24 hours only. So do not delay placing these orders because you will never be able to get such amazing prices for such beautiful saris. Let's move on to the next one. Another gorgeous color, right? It's a green and black colored sari. Navina, I'll surely try to show you a yellow and bottle green color combination. If I'm not able to do so, you can message us on 8900010002 on WhatsApp, and whoever the person is there will help you get the most beautiful color and the most beautiful design in the color you want. Let's see this sari for now. It's a beautiful black and green colored sari. With this, we have a body of floral buttis and cross checks with zari. The border is cross lines and floral jal, and it has a brocade pallu. This is the blouse piece with the sari. And now let's see the details. Love the work all over it, right? Nice copper zari work and a black green sari. Beautiful. Let's see the details. The item code is BR398. The price is 18,374. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on. As I have been saying, this is another beautiful color combination, blue and purple. Purple in itself like totally elevates the whole vibe and whole essence of a sari. Don't you feel so? Such nice, such young color it is. Let's see the details in the sari now. The body is blue with floral butties in zari. With this we have a magenta border of cross lines and peacocks. And a cross-lined pallu with gorgeous golden work all over it, bright and totally standing out. This is the blouse with the sari. Now let's see the details. The item code is BS51, the price is 6,639. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on to the next one. Beautiful fresh color. It's a light green colored sari with floral butties and leaves jal. The border is cross lines and diamonds with florals. The pallu is floral brocade. And this is the blouse piece with the sari, beautifully done. Look at the silver work all over it, totally contrasting the whole vibe of this sari. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS45, the price is 8,079. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to the next one. Beautiful colors. Thank you so much, Picky. Even I love this collection and I love the colors too. Now let's look at this one. It's a navy blue colored sari with a body of florals and paisley jal. The border is cross lines and leaf putties. Gorgeous light blue work all over it. And it's a floral brocade pallu with this. Now let's see the blouse with the sari. With this navy blue colored sari, we have this slightly yellowish tinged blouse, totally contrasting the whole tone. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS41, the price is 9,599. To buy the sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And hi Arpita, welcome to our live. If you like any sari, do take a screenshot, send it to us on our WhatsApp number, or if there's any color, any design you want to see, do let me know in the comments below and I'll help you with it. Let's see the next one. Gorgeous unique work. I love how this collection has such unique worked saris. You guys should appreciate that there are so many people working day and night to bring these beautiful collections to you. Now let's see the details on the sari. It's a gold colored sari with many colors all over it. You can see how many colors and how many different designs are there. The body is florals and leaves in zari with tissue. The border is diamonds and florals with peacocks and elephants, and with this we have huge floral butties and cross lines in our pallu. We have the similar colored blouse here with many contrasting designs, and now let's see the details. The item code is BM586, the price is 13,999. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. So guys, we are done with today's collection. We'll quickly see what our mannequins are wearing for the day, and let's move. Beautiful sari, right? Look at how nicely it's sitting on the mannequin, and it will sit exactly the same on you guys too, because you're all beautiful ladies. It's a blue and pink colored sari with a body of floral butties and geometrical checks. The border has cross lines with peacocks and florals, nice golden work, and the pallu is also cross-lined. We have a pink colored blouse with this sari, and let's see the details. The item code is BS65, the price is 18,749. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on to the next sari now. Have you noticed how every time you move on to another sari, it just becomes more beautiful and more beautiful? Look at this one, how elegant. Beautiful maroon and orange color. Again, a very different combination which looks beautiful. The body is leaf buttis and cross checks. The border has peacocks and florals and cross lines, and it has a brocade pallu. We have a contrasting orange colored blouse with this sari, looking totally beautiful with this maroon color. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS38, the price is 20,999. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on. Every time you see a light color after a dark color, it just makes you feel very, very light. You can see this sari Lakshmi. It's a nice light colored sari. I'll surely let you know the price for this. It's a light lime yellow sari, a very different, very elegant color. Totally unique. It will totally make you stand out, Lakshmi. The body has florals and paisley jal. The border has cross lines with peacocks and circles, and we have a floral brocade pallu with this. It has the same colored blouse, and lucky for you, it costs 17,999. Let's see the details now. The item code is BS27. The price, I'll repeat again, is 17,999. If you wish to buy this sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Lakshmi, you can surely message us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002 and tell us the color you want, and we'll surely show you every collection, every design we have in that color so that you can choose the sari you love. Moving on to the next one, it's a bottle green colored sari. The body is leaves. The body is leaves jal with peacock buttis in palki design. The border is cross lines with peacocks and florals, and we have a leaf brocade pallu. It has a contrasting red blouse with it. Let's see the details for this sari. The item code is BS29. The price is 18,749. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code number, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Lakshmi will be saving this live on our IGTV, on our Facebook videos, and even on YouTube. You can surely go through the whole live and you can see the light colors which we have shown today, and you can take a screenshot anytime and send it to us within the next 24 hours to get the best deal. Now this is Insha signing off. I hope you guys loved today's collection and loved today's live, and may you have a nice day. Good night.